So the awesome guys at Edge of Belgravia have sent me one of their knives. It's from the brand new range, just recently launched. There is an extra 10% discount for a limited time only. So I'm going to link all that and the discount code in the description. So make sure you check it out. So I'm going to unbox and review this bad boy. So let's go. So guys, it comes in a black box like this. The box is quite sturdy. I think it'd be great for a gift as well. So let's just take that layer off. Okay, there you have it. What do you think, guys? It's amazing. I think it looks really nice. I love the pattern on there, like a floral pattern. The pattern is on both sides. One thing I don't like is heavy knives, and this is not heavy at all. It says it's made from multiple layers of Japanese steel. There is their logo here, also the Edge of Belgravia. It is a sharp knife, I believe. I mean, we're gonna test that out anyway, how sharp it is. Okay guys, so let's get straight into it and let's get chopping. So let's see how smoothly we can cut this apple. Sometimes it can be a bit dense to cut it. So let's try it out. Yep, definitely that was much sharper than using my normal knife. Straight cut. Okay, so let's give this orange a quick go. Yep, easy, smooth and sharp cut. Don't know if you can see that, but definitely much easier. Let's try tomato. Cut some slices. Definitely, don't know if you can see that, but definitely very smooth. Let's see if we can go any thinner. Yeah, look at that. It does work beautifully. It just glides through like butter. It's amazing. I actually enjoy cutting it with this knife. There you go, look. Really nice. So let's chop up some chives. And look at that, no effort needed. It just cuts through very easily. No effort needed at all. Sharp cut. I'm going to show you something. Don't try this at home though, or get an adult. Look at that. Look how sharp that slices the chive. Carrots are quite hard to cut. I normally find that anyway. So let's see how this goes. Yep, definitely sharp, easier to cut as well. I'm just going to cut them into some slices. Definitely much easier to chop. Let's try some spring onions, and this knife is so easy to work with. Just look at that, no effort needed. And it's so light to use as well, as I mentioned before. So there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed using this knife, and I must say I'm really impressed with it. They sent me some knives last year, I like them, but I like this knife so much more. It's really easy to work with, cuts right through, it works with you. Check out the link in the description below, and if you do order it, don't forget the 10% discount code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.